We are doing a weekly test. It's been a while, because Cleveland did not do any alerts yesterday. They took me out of the slight risk, and I'm here with
County EAS,
North Texas WX,
and Youngstown EAS, but he's out of the room right now. So yeah, let's wait for the weekly test to begin. I have KDO94 over there in the bathroom monitoring it because my friend was not able to join the call. His office is also Cleveland. His station goes before mine. Actually, his third header goes, but KDO94's 1050 hertz goes whenever mine goes. So yeah, it's kind of hard to describe, but I'll pause the video and wait for the test. Oh, here they go! Here goes Cleveland! Here they go! Why?
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn the intended passer. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.
I think it went off.
This is NOAA Weather Radio WWG56
Okay.
office in Cleveland.
Stay back. Out.
Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Highs around 80.
Huh? Bye-bye. The 100 gang is on. Redkiss's first alert. 300's first alert. Oh, the laptop tried falling over. 911's first alert. The Honeywell's first alert. And I think this thing went off. I don't know. I did not hear it. I heard the Cobra finally. It's been forever since I last heard the Cobra go off. I mean, it's went off, but I've never heard it siren because the collection's been overpowering it. But I've standed in front of it, and now I know that it's still working. And you went off. And so did you over there. Everything here went off except for the Zone Guard Plus. It failed. Of course. I think that thing went off. I don't know. But yeah.